Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It has been a while since we've done one of these videos, but I thought why not get started with one today. We are going to be looking at converting customary units of length using a conversion table. Ladies and gentlemen, right in front of you right now, this is a conversion table right here. Okay? Now, a couple things you need to know about a conversion table is that it has two different types of measurements on it. The first one we have here is going to be in inches. The second one is going to be in feet. So what we're going to be working on is we are going to be converting or changing. Remember, conversion means to change. We're going to be changing inches to feet. Then we're going to go ahead and see how they compare to each other right here. Okay, so it's going to be a good lesson today. Okay, so let's take a look at this first one here. Let's just say I had 1 foot. How many inches would that be? Let's think back to how many inches are in a foot. Well, we know that 12 inches are in 1 foot. So 12 inches go to 1 foot. Then what we do here, it says inches to feet. So I'm going to go ahead and put 12, comma, to 1. This shows that it's 12 to 1 right there. So now, let me say if I had 2 feet. Now remember, for every foot, there are 12 inches. So what I got to think to myself is, if I made a drawing out of this, so here's 1 foot, and I have 12 inches in that first foot. Well, here's my second foot. I have 12 inches in that foot as well. So I have 12 and 12 put together. I add them together, or I can just say 12 times 2. And we should know that that equals 24. Pretty simple stuff. So my next answer here is going to be 24. Let's just say I had 3 feet. Again, if I would take that information, I would have to say 1, 2, 3 feet with 12 being in each of those feet. Or I could just say 12 times 3. And guys and girls, that equals 36. So my answer for how many inches are in 3 feet, well, I know that 36 inches are in 3 feet. And that's kind of what we're looking at right now. Oh, forgot one little thing. For my 24 inches in 2 feet, I know it's 24 to 2, because for every 24 inches, there's 2 feet. And for 36 inches in 3 feet, I know 36 inches to 3 feet. So that's how a conversion table works, okay? Let's take a look at one more example. Alright, so here we have a new conversion table. We're going to go ahead and work on converting yards to inches and seeing how many yards are in an inch, or how many inches are in a yard. So here we have 1 yard, and we have how many inches are in 1 yard. Now this is going to take a little bit more thought to it. First off, let's think to ourselves, how many inches are in 1 foot? Well, we know that there are 12 in 1 foot. So that's 1 foot right there. And how many feet are in 1 yard? We know there are 3 feet in 1 yard. So we got to take 3 of these guys to get 1 yard. Think back to that other table we had. 3 of those would be 36. 36 inches. So for 1 yard, there's 36 inches. Now let's go ahead and continue working on this table. For 3 yards, now we have that 3, and we know that for 1 yard there's 36. So we got to think to ourselves, 3 times 36. So let me go ahead and set that up for us. Here's a 36. You could add it 3 times, or you could simply just multiply it by 3, because we should be pretty good at this by now. 18, 108. Wow. So there are 108 inches in that yard right there. Let's put our 108. So for 3 yards, there's 108 inches. And we do the same for this. We take 6, or we could double that 108, and we would get 216. So for 6, we would have 216. And that is what we're working on today. So a lot of multiplying, a lot of thinking about how many yards and feet, and converting in that way. All right, thank you so much for checking this out, and I'll talk to you later.